The wild west of online shopping is full of brands you have never heard of, making promises that seem way too good to be true. I spent way too much time recently looking into one of these new cordless vacuums that has been climbing the sales charts. It sits right at that sweet spot under $100. On the surface, the specs look like they belong on a machine that costs 3 times as much. You get a sleek design, a big digital display, and a dustbin that holds way more than the average stick vacuum. But the real selling point is that V-shaped brush roll. It is specifically designed to prevent hair from tangling around the roller. This is usually the #1 reason these cheap motors burn out early hair wraps. If you have a dog or a cat, you know exactly what I am talking about. You end up spending more time cleaning the vacuum than cleaning your house. This specific design aims to solve that problem once and for all. It is a bold move for a budget brand to prioritize that level of engineering. But here is where the story gets a little bit messy. When I looked at the company's own information, the numbers started changing. One part of their site says the motor power is 550 watts. The main title on their shop page says 500. Then, if you scroll down into the fine print, they claim 450. It makes you wonder which version of the vacuum is actually showing up at your door. This kind of confusion is a classic red flag for a brand that has not quite polished its image yet. It feels like they are throwing every impressive number at the wall to see what sticks. Then you have the battery life. They brag about a full hour of cleaning time. In reality, that only happens on the lowest mode, which is mostly for light dust on hard floors. If you have a rag or a messy kitchen, you will need that max power setting. On high, you are lucky to get 20 to 25 minutes of use. That is actually pretty standard for this tier of machines, but it is a far cry from the hour-long marathon they lead with in their ads. I even found reports from people getting manuals with obvious spelling errors or finding parts missing from the box. It definitely gives off that vibe of a product that was rushed to market without a final quality check. Despite those growing pains, the vacuum itself seems to be performing well for people who just need a simple daily tool. If you are comfortable working within the ecosystem of a major online retailer for your returns and support, the value is hard to ignore. You get modern features like a 1.5-liter dustbin for a fraction of the cost of a premium brand. But if you are the type of person who wants a long history of reliability and consistent specifications, you might find more comfort with a big household name. Those bigger brands give you a level of confidence that a newcomer just cannot match yet. It really comes down to whether you want to be an early adopter of a bargain or play it safe with the tried and true. I took the deep dive so you could see the whole picture before you pull the trigger. These manufacturers are betting that consumers will overlook a few typos and some conflicting power ratings for the sake of a clean floor and a full wallet. It is a gamble, but for $99, it is a gamble a lot of people are willing to take.